Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 84 of Yakety-Yak straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions, and he answers the questions. And we read the questions, and there's a lot of questions, and some are actually pretty cool, a lot are repetitive, and some just are myth busters, if you will. So on today's episode, we're going to be talking about, has John ridden the Bolt? Ooh. The questionnaire link, ships that currently have soda fountains, tipping the staff on an Australian cruise in US or Australian dollars, and why isn't the hand sanitizer everywhere like it used to be? All right, question one. This cruiser asked John if he has ridden the Bolt before, on the Jubilee specifically. They saw that the weight limit says 300 pounds and wanted to know if that is accurate. I think they were saying John weighs more than 300 pounds. Turd. John said yes, he has actually ridden the Bolt before, and when he did, he weighed 280 pounds, which is his backhanded way of saying, I don't weigh 300 pounds. But he did confirm the weight limit is actually 300 pounds on the Bolt. Question two. This cruiser wanted to know if it's possible to make the questionnaire link survey you get last longer than a week. They say so many people extend their vacations, they'll get back from a cruise and then stay wherever they are in the port or go do something else, and sometimes they just don't have the time to do the link within a week. And I agree 100% with this, by the way. And John does too. He agrees and thanked them for bringing it to his attention. The intention that they want it done in a week is so they can get the feedback quickly. But like he said, I don't think a few extra days is going to matter. You know, I like getting the link. I love getting the link so we can compliment the crew and make sure we do everything before we forget it. So yeah, I think they should extend it as well. Speaking of like, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. We would appreciate it. All right, question three. This cruiser wanted to know what ships currently have these soda fountains, self-service soda fountains actually, and where you can pay with your sail and sign card instead of going up to a bar or anything like that. And these are becoming more and more popular, and it definitely thins out the lines at the bar because you got some poor little 8-year-old kid waiting for a soda, and you got, a bunch of adults waiting for an adult beverage. John said at the moment it is the Mardi Gras, the Celebration, the Jubilee, the Venezia, the Firenze, and soon to be the Vista. So they're putting it on more and more boats. So that's actually pretty cool. All right, this cruiser is so excited to be able to cruise out of Australia next year, but they were wondering, should they tip in US or Australian dollars? John said, whichever you prefer. The charges on the ship are all in Australian dollars, but if you have US dollars, that's fine too. So yeah, whatever you have on you, you can tip the crew with that. Doesn't matter. Well, last question. This cruiser noticed that the hand sanitizer isn't as available as it has been in the past, especially in the casinos. They would appreciate it if there were some available as they left the casino to ensure they're not taking the germs with them. John said that's because they don't want people using hand sanitizer as the first line of defense. The United States Public Health, CDC, and their own medical professionals say that actually washing your hands with warm soap and water is the... Warm soap and water? Soap and warm water is actually the best way to get any surface-borne yick off your hands. So most of the casinos, there's a bathroom right there, and I am definitely one of those people. After playing cards, playing the slot machines, I go right to the bathroom and wash my hands afterwards because normally we're going up to Lido Deck or out to dinner to get something to eat, and you don't want that casino funk on your hands and in your mouth. So that was episode 84 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.